Hey friends, if power options is missing from the start menu in Windows, then please watch this video. Here's the thing. The main solution is through the registry editor, and we will follow that. Okay. There may be a few alternate solutions as well, but the main solution is through the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to the path HKey current user, software, Microsoft Windows current version policies, and right click. Okay, you don't usually have this explorer path, so right click on policies, select new key and name it explorer. Okay, here's how we navigate to the path. Now I didn't show on every navigation since it would spoil the navigation. Now in the right pane you need to create a dword 32-bit entry named no close. Right click in the open space, new dword 32-bit entry and name it no close. Double click on it and make its value data 0. This is the main solution, but one more thing you can try is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Select a go to restore point. Click on next and finally on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.